So now we've finished our goals and deadlines. We know what they are. Now we're going to actually move on to creating what I've decided to call a business snapshot. So basically, it's just a list of all the financial accounts involved in operating your business. So we want to have them in one place, in one list. So again, we can use it in the next step. It'll make things easier, but it'll also make things easier just for you going forward. Like every time you need to file taxes, you'll have it there. And you can add to and update it as things change over the years. And then you can also use this to do your own books every month. A part of good bookkeeping is you have checklists that you can easily use to make sure you finish all the tasks, you're not missing anything, and you'll see what I mean. Sorry, it seems vague right now. But if you also hire a bookkeeper, they can use this list to get a better idea what is involved in your business. And when they ask you questions, you'll have the list and you can just show it to them. So, and that's what I want to do. I want to make things easier for you now and in the future. So let me show you the business snapshot. I will make myself smaller. And here we go. Okay, so I didn't introduce it in the first step, but if you have the PDF version, it should have it there, and you can, like, it tells you you can use this to set down your goals and months to catch up. But let me move on to step 2. Sorry, my little bubble's in the way. There we go. Okay, so this is where we're going to list out all of the financial accounts that your business has. And so first thing, you're going to want to list all the banking credit cards that you use for your business. Ideally, they're in your business name, but if it's a personal card you have that you use only for the business, then you can list that as well. Do not list an account that it's mostly personal and sometimes business. We don't want anything like that. It's like only business. All right, so the next you're going to list any payment processors, POS systems that you use to collect and send payments. And so the reason for that is it's not always an account like, let's say, like Shopify or Square. It's not exactly a bank account, but they do hold your funds. And so you do want to track this because later on, if you, again, get a bookkeeper or you hire someone to do the books, they need to understand that that we need to track this also for funds. Like, this is something we need to keep an eye on as well. Okay, so then the next thing we're going to list are the assets the business owns. So any vehicles, equipment, machinery. Again, it has to be in the name of the business. If you have like something in your personal name that's used for the business, then you should talk with your tax preparer to see how to handle that. But usually you don't want to put that on the books because it's not the business's property. But again, check with your tax person. All right, so the next you want to put down who your payroll provider is. Again, it's not an account that holds money, but we are going to need to check in on their payroll records, and so that is a part of your business's financial operations because it's taking money to pay people, and so money is going out to that payroll company on your behalf. So write that down. Okay, next you want to list the names of any people or businesses that you pay for services on a regular basis. So maybe they're 1099 workers. Which means you don't take out taxes. You don't pay their payroll taxes. You just give them money for the work they've done, and they pay their own taxes. And that can be a person or a business like you're paying another business, like LLC. And so you just want to write their names down as well. So I also want to say, like, an exception is if they're already in your payroll system or some system that tracks this for you and will take care of 1099s. That's why we're doing this. Then you probably don't have to. But if you're not sure, just write it down. Better to have it now and then not need it than realize you needed it and then you have to go back. So, and that's it. Like, just list everything.